Hi there, students. Murk, a noun with a U. Murky, an adjective. Murkily, adverb. Okay, if you say something is murky, you mean it's dark and dirty and difficult to see through. So the water in the river was very murky after the huge rainstorm. Okay, so murky. We also use it metaphorically in the same way to describe a situation that's complicated, unpleasant, and about which many things are not clear. The murky world of international drug dealers. I don't want it to get into the murky waters of the morality of what we're doing. Okay, so murk, gloom, darkness, a fog, blackness, um, darkness, yeah, so not easy to see. We couldn't see the bottom of the lake through the murk, yeah, the murky world of crime. Okay, so murky. Firstly, literary, dim, dark, and dirty as if there's a mist or a fog covering it. A murky sky indicated that it was going to rain. I took some photographs, but the photos were rather murky. They weren't very clear. And then I think he has a murky future, not clear, not known, not understood, and maybe not very good. Okay, so the murk, dark, yeah. The murky world of international trade. Okay, so murky, hard to see through because it's got a fog or a mist. Dim, dark, and gloomy. Cloudy, indistinct, and then from that dishonest and shady. Okay, so murky, vague and unclear. I understand what you've explained to me, but only murkily. Yeah, the deep murky waters of this lake, the murky world of politics, questionable, dark, secret, yeah, shady. Okay, they're making murky deals behind closed doors. So murky weather, it's going to rain. The murky depths that politicians will sink to in order to gain support from the populace. Okay, so murk, yeah, the murky world of theft, the murky world of fraud. Okay, so a murky sky, a dark, foggy sky, a murky landscape covered in mist, dark mist, a murky world or a murky scenario, dishonest, not clear, not very clear what's actually going to happen. So, formality, murky. I would give this a 5 in formality. I think you can use it just about anywhere. Yeah? And then, as to origin, let's see. It comes from a Middle English word, mivkir, meaning murky, and it's probably related to the old Norse word mikir. Yeah, mikir as well. Okay. This comes from Proto-Germanic merkuz, dark, and the Proto-Indo-European merg, to flicker, to darken. So you can see how murky and murk are related to the meaning. Okay, so gloomy. He had a very murky expression. yeah, gloomy and depressive, yeah, a murky environment, the murk, yeah, the murk of the environment is dark and gloomy. Um, there were 19th century cottages built for the factory workers, and the whole area looked really rather murky. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Murk, Murkily, and Murky.